Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to check your PayPal transaction history using the PayPal app on your mobile device. So first of all, open the PayPal application on your device and make sure that you're logged in securely by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you land in the home page. Click on the wallet button at the bottom right corner and this will take you to this section where you'll need to tap on activity at the top. Now on this page, all of your payments and purchases will be listed. You can scroll through your list to review payments, receipts and transfers. If you don't have any kind of a transaction yet, you will see this interface as shown in My Display. You can also search for the transaction by name or email by typing it down in the search box at the top. Also make sure to filter search for any kind of activity or transaction by tapping on this little slider icon on the top right and filter by type, payment, date, etc. And that's how you will be able to find your transaction history on PayPal application. If the video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.